everyone, welcome to our latest episode of SoTech TV. Today we'll be looking at our fusible disconnect switch called the Fuserbloc. The Fuserbloc is an all-in-one compact switch that integrates a disconnect switch with fuse protection. The fuses are at the top of the main power poles, allowing the Fuserbloc to be one of the most compact solutions on the market. Our fusible disconnect switch ranges from 30 to 800 amps and accepts class CC, J, L, and T fuses. The Fuserbloc range consists of heavy-duty switches that break and make power circuits on and off load. Our Fuserbloc CD 30 amp switches are rated UL 489 and our 30 amp to 800 amp switches are UL 98. The Fuserbloc range is good for service entrance requirements of main panels. Now let's take a deeper look into the Fuserbloc range. Manufactured in-house, the Fuserbloc range is used in more than 80 countries including USA, Canada, and Mexico. The Fuserbloc and its accessories are made from high-grade engineered fiber plastic, ensuring an unrivaled quality product in all applications. As an example, the durable handle is manufactured to ensure metal-to-metal contact with the shaft, guaranteeing that it never breaks in any condition. The Fuserbloc range is extremely resilient and was tested and approved in the UL laboratory for use in the most demanding applications. The switch's double break contact per pole ensures that there is complete isolation of the fuse when the switch is in the off position. Along with its compact and robust design, the Fuserbloc has the option to add terminal shrouds to the switch from 200 to 800 amps to help protect people from accidental contact to live parts. The Fuserbloc also has the ability to make and break power circuits on load. The Fuserbloc CD is a compact design that has an interlocking door so that when the direct handle is used, it blocks people from being able to open the fuse covers while the switch is in the on position. For the Fuserblocs with the plastic fuse covers, there are small openings on the covers to allow for thermal checks. The Fuserbloc also has accessories that provide safety for people and machinery. There is direct padlocking in zero position, distance between the poles to avoid arc, and handles that are UL rated 4X. The Fuserbloc also offers NFPA 7.9 accessories for specific applications. The flange operation accessories meet both UL 508A and NFPA 7.9 requirements and can be used to operate the switch with cable or rod mechanisms. The Fuserbloc can also be used with NFPA 7.9 through the door kit. One important accessory that Socomec offers is the fuse monitoring device. The FMD detects fuse operation using a bistable relay and a signaling LED. This device can be installed on the side of the switch with easy connection to the fast-on voltage tabs on the switch. The FMD also can be door-mounted or backplate mounted. The Fuserbloc series has been tested and certified up to 600 VAC and 250 VDC. It also has high electrical characteristics including a short circuit rating up to 200 kA at 600 VAC, high HP ratings, and can endure up to 10,000 operating cycles. The Fuserbloc is a perfect compact solution for safe and reliable motor disconnections or main panel disconnect requirements. Socomec offers a wide range of accessories for the Fuserbloc. The accessory we will be highlighting are our handles. Using either a direct external or flange handle, the Fuserbloc can be operated from the front or the side. The handles are offered in different NEMA ratings and colors to ensure that the customer's needs are met. The Fuserbloc also offers NFPA 79 through the door kits for the complete range. Other accessories that are offered for the switch are auxiliary contacts, terminal shrouds, a variety of shaft links, terminal lugs, solid links, and T-fuse adapters. Socomec ensures the product's quality, customization, and ease of installation. The compact footprint of the Fuserbloc can be installed on a backplate, but there is no limitation to the position the switch can be installed in. The poles of the switch have no polarity, so you can connect the line or the load to either side and install the switch in any position. If you need left side operation, the Fuserbloc has been UL approved to be rotated 180 degrees and to be operated from the left side. The Fuserblocs from 30 to 100 amps have terminal cages which optimizes the time to connect the cables to the switch. For larger ratings, 200 amps to 800 amps, Socomec offers lugs to ensure sturdy wire connections. Socomec's Fuserbloc range is also available in a NEMA 3R12 painted steel enclosure from 30 to 800 amps. The Fuserbloc is stocked in the United States, making the switch readily available. The switch can be ordered through our North American office located in Watertown, Mass. All of the contact details are listed below in the description box. For more information on Socomec's Fuserbloc or our other ranges, visit our website at www.socomec.us. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more SoTech TV content. Thanks for watching, and we will catch you on the next episode.